Okay, we're here with the O10O trying to figure out why the gear slips. And it is strange because when it's right side up, all the weight is on the wheels and they should be flushing in. But you know what? The torque of the motor is strong enough, it could throw it out, and there is some play here. See that play? It's possible it's playing and getting it locked out. And the only thing might be to put a brace, a rectangular brace right in there, so that the side play see that it wouldn't do that, but you could see the gears a little worn, and it is kind of strange, you know. It's definitely strange. Oh, it's so nice. The magnet's holding it on, not even the clip. So go figure. Slightest of differences. Amazing. Learn something new every day with Toy Trains.